My name is Eric Saine with McGill University in Montreal, Canada, and I'm the Executive Director and a faculty member of the McGill Executive Institute, which helps emerging and current leaders learn and grow in their careers. So Professor Henry Mintzeberg was considered one of the leading management thinkers in the world, and he noticed that there were 5 mindsets, as he called them, that emerged to help managers succeed. A mindset is not a trait or a skill, it's a way of thinking, but it's really the operating system for managerial judgment. A mindset affects everything you do or experience. Rather than just having one mindset, the idea is to try to develop all 5 so that you can have a holistic view of a problem or a project that comes up. For most of us, AI is becoming our tool of choice for research, analysis, and recommendations, but it's really the human mind that helps paint the full picture. A way I look at it is that AI is the axle or hub, and the mindsets become the wheel around that hub. The reflective mindset is going to be about what are we missing? The analytical mindset is what does the data show? The collaborative mindset, are we making sure that this is impacting people in the right way? The worldly mindset, what's changing in the industry? And the action mindset, how can we test and implement quickly? So the 5 mindsets appear throughout the program and throughout the program duration. Starting in the very first module, you'll be doing a self-discovery exercise. You'll also be learning to step back and really reflect and think before you act. In the analytical mindset, you're going to be approaching that when we get to things like AI strategy, AI problem solving, and the finance lab. The collaborative mindset, you're going to be working with people on your capstone project. The worldly mindset is where you'll have a chance to see ideas that come from around the globe. And finally, the action mindset, this is where it all comes together, especially in your capstone project. And you're going to be learning how to act on change. So throughout, you'll also have the capstone project, as I say, that really pulls all the mindsets together from start to finish. So in this new world of leading through AI, in a way you're an orchestra conductor. You're bringing all the parts together, and there are really 2 main parts that are going to be explored in this program. From one point, I like to look at it as computational thinking, which comes from computer science. It's about understanding how AI works. A big component of this program. You're going to be looking at how AI structures things, data management, and a number of things around the specifics of AI. This is around the areas of structure and execution. But you also need a strategic way of looking at things. This would be, say, ambiguity and choice. So together, you're going to be looking at both the specifics of AI and the way to lead around AI. To put that idea into practice, let's say you're a leader and you're deciding that the customer experience is your key differentiator in a business. That would be the strategic way of looking at things. But then from an AI computational thinking point of view, how are you going to make it AI solvable? How are you going to structure that customer experience and come up with workflows and executable actions to make that a reality?